Good morning. I am working hard to finish up my tints and shades painting. There are two ways you can mix your paint. One way was on that tray I showed you last time, and I'm doing the second way today, where I have put a layer of white down here. I really like tints, so I'm going to do some extra tints. And then I'm dipping my paintbrush after rinsing it so I don't get any white. See how there's no white in there? It is beautiful blue still. And just putting a little bit of blue. Oh, tints are Miss Roselle's favorite. Alright, I'm going to wash off my brush because now my paintbrush has white on it, and I'm going to add a little bit more blue because that tint was a little bit close to that tint. That's pretty. And I've got one more to do. I think I'm going to do my last shade because I have one pure color. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tints. I only have 1, 2 shades. So I'm going to put my blue down first. Doesn't matter if you start with your blue or your black. I like to start with my blue because it's the lighter color. I typically start with my lighter color. And then I can add more of my darker color if I want to. So that right now is the same as this one. It doesn't have any color added to it. Now I'm going to add, I rinsed my brush and adding black. Rinse it. Add a little more black. Do not miss that rinsing stage. It is very important. Alright, that looks like a pretty good tint. Rinsing my brush one last time. I am done with this piece now. So I'm going to take it carefully and put it on the drying rack. Next to the drying rack, I will find this lovely worksheet. This is going to show you a trick of how to use tints and shades in a real picture. So I'm going to do the top part first. I'm going to start with my pure color, my pure blue. Actually, I'm going to put blue in all of them. Now, which one do I need to add white to? That's right, the one that says tint. So I rinsed off my brush. I'm going to add white. Oh, so pretty. It's harder to tell with that glare. Maybe I'll add a little bit more white. Great. Now I'm going to add black to the circle that says shade. Awesome. Now I'm going to use these 3 colors to make this flower look more realistic than if I just painted it blue. Now in the middle of a flower, it's typically darker, so I'm going to first start by painting the whole flower blue, and I'm going to have the middle part be the shade. Oh, Miss Roselle needs to slow down, Miss Roselle. Got my whole flower blue. Now I'm going to try to make the middle part be my shade. Rinsed off my brush. And the outer part be my tint. And on each petal I'm going to make the outer part be the tint. It's going to make it look so pretty. Always rinse that brush. Do not get blue in my water or in my white paint. And try to smooth that white together so it looks like it's seamlessly going in to the pure blue color. So now we have different shades and tints within our flowers. Of course, always write your name on it. You can put this on the drying rack. If you don't quite get done with this one, that's okay. This is just an extra assignment. Our main goal is to try to get this done all the way today so we can move on to cutting it out next time when it's dry. All right, get started.